Hey guys, it's Jacob here, and welcome to my 2017 Firework Stash. And plus all of this stuff. You guys can't really see it, but yeah, you guys can, but that's my 2017 Firework Stash. We're not going through that, but we're going to go through an assortment I got, because none of them I can't touch, but we're going to go. It's kind of sunny. We're having a party. So yeah, guys. So first we got happening small fountain. We got another happening fountain. We got about 6 of these ground bloom flowers. We got a fountain iron flower. And then we got 4 of these plain sunflower. Yeah, we got some new small bees. About 5 packs of Roman candles here. This is probably like 200 firecrackers plus like 200 plus 16 here, another 16 and another 16. We got about 3 of these. I already blew a few off of the M500s. We got many artillery thing. You could do these. About 2 packs of Morning Glory sparklers. We got Saturn missiles right here. We got flying color butterfly rockets right here. We also got bottle rockets. They don't whistle, but they blow up. These ones right here whistle and blow up. We got a few of them. And then we got the violet butterfly. Goes up in the air, I think. And 2 packs of jumping jacks. That's pretty much my firework stash right there. And then the other ones that you guys saw earlier. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and I'll do a video maybe later if I have enough charge. Alright, thank you guys.